So he is unboxing another Gorilla cart.
Talaga?
This is the Polyard cart by Gorilla also. He doesn't wanna unboxing video, but who's gonna win? We need people to know about what they will buy. So the box, this was in the box, and it had a it was fully covered with plastic with a, what do you call it, honey?
Straps.
With the straps to protect. Be careful with the knife.
Securing straps.
Ooh, there's three carts, three tires. Probably it's how 12 inches. I think it is a 12 inch.
There's 4 tires.
Oh, it is 4? Oh yeah, 4 tires. 13-inch wheel diameter. It's gonna be easier. There's the manual.
E-manual?
The manual.
Did you say e-manual? Or is
There's the manual. And the tires are secured
What do you think, Dex?
with the straps too.
And Dexter's gonna help
Put
me.
them together.
Dexter's gonna help me.
Be careful with the knife. And there's probably the frame for the bottom, for the frame support.
Please, get my lawyer. I've been framed.
Are you sure you can take it out after you assembled it? So first we have to see all the bolts and hardwares that we need to use.
I think this.
What do you call it? Based on the diagram, the first thing is to attach the back assembly, the back leg wheel assembly. There's like 6 bolts that you have to put in using wrench and half-inch ratchet. We have to attach this hardware to these. What happened there? It's gonna be this, like that. Then we're gonna show you after we screw them up. Then we already attached this side. Put it up. And then we are going to attach this other one that will hold the handle here. You're just gonna match all the holes there.
Before.
Now it's time for 4 tires. The tires have these cover here that we gotta take off. 4 of them before we put our tires in. See, it's moving now. This means this is where the handle goes. So we decided to work on the table because working on the floor is not too pleasant. It's not comfortable for 2 old people. So we're working on the table. Slide the wheels in, or the tires. Then bent the pin. Oh, it's gonna be like spread them out. That's it. So easy.
Down here.
Okay.
I think they actually made it a little bit easier.
Easy!
On the wheels this time than the last cart.
Because
That's
they're, oh, probably the other one has also the spring. So we already put all the tires. Same process. Put the pins in and bend both sides. Then the next thing is we're going to put the handle. What do you need? Why is it so short?
It's even bigger. You gotta be. And we're gonna take this.
Oh, if you want to put this or attach this to your lawnmower or tractor, you have to do this. Take the pins off, 2 of them, and you can slide them around upside down, put it back the pins in.
Probably better do it this way.
And then
And
this
one will go hook up to your lawn tractor and put it through. Put the thing down at the bottom, and you're good to go.
So although the cart is for my husband, I decided to use it so I can show to you how to use it, how easy and convenient. This time I'm going to dump the branches that we cut from the tree, and we can dump the cart. We can pull it up 90 degrees. The cart is so handy and very helpful when you have a lot to dump. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you in my next one.